for joining us today. For those of you joining us for the first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, we appreciate your support. If you're interested in a channel that offers you DIYs, motherhood, home decor, shopping hauls, grocery shopping hauls, or home decor shopping hauls, you have definitely tuned into the right place. This week's video, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a teaser, just so you can understand how big Christmas is in this house. We have lots of new things that we purchased this year because, as you know, if you follow us on Instagram, we have a second Christmas tree this year and I am beyond excited. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that we got because last year, as you know, we had just moved to Atlanta. We only got a lot of items for the Christmas tree, but this year we're branching out. We've got some stuff for the bathroom to just give a little bit of holiday spirit in there, some things for my bedroom. So if you're interested in seeing what we got, stay tuned. Okay, so let's jump right in. So the first item I wanted to share with you guys is this beautiful tray. Now, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. There are a few options, right? So as you can see, I'm hoping you guys can, I wanna get in close so you can see. Yeah, okay. So this tray, it's like all glitter on the inside. It's just pretty plain on the outside, it's just black. What I'm thinking about doing with this is I may put it in the master bathroom and just put, like, you know, my usual toiletries on top. I like Q-tips and face pads and stuff like that. I have them in different apothecary accessory glass bowls, so I may just layer them on top here. I could also put it in the on the coffee table in our living room. I could also even put it as a part of the tablescape in the dining room. I'm not really sure just yet, but I will definitely let you guys know once I do the overall room tour what I decided to do with that. Okay, so the next thing I got 6 of these. Yeah, that's so pretty, right? Oh, I have these in rose gold and they hold up really well. I love to layer them. I've not found a piece yet to as far as what I'm gonna put. Of course, I'm gonna put this in the dining room, but I wanna have a placemat at the bottom. I do like to layer these up. I think it's gonna look so pretty. As you know, my fancy or when I have guests over, my dining set it's like a eggshell with gold trim. I love to mix metals, so I love doing silver and gold. So my thought is whatever that base placemat's gonna be is most likely gonna have some sort of gold and silver in it as well. Okay, let's see what else is in my goodie bag. Ooh, I got some beautiful, I got 3 of them. They're really large. These for the these ornaments for the tree. Let me stand up. I want to make sure you guys can get a good look of that. Do you see? It's so beautiful. So it's like a wood, it's almost like a wood, and it has this silver foil finish on it. I love that it looks kind of weathered. If you look on the side here, it's kind of weathered. I love that. I think it looks really it's almost like a rustic feel, but my overall theme for the holidays is typically mixed metals, silver and gold, with a little bit of like a light pink. So I think this is gonna look so nice. They're really nice oversized snowflakes. So I'm pretty excited about that. Now this almost looks like broken glass. You see that? It almost looks like a broken glass. I love this. I have some ideas of using this in a DIY for a couple candle holders. So if I do this, I will definitely film it and share it with you guys, but I think that that's gonna be a really good turnout. If not, I could always just use it in like a vase inside, like a glass vase, and just for like the base of it, it would look really pretty. All right, so another item I got. Oh my God, I love these. I'm gonna have glitter all over the house. I love it. This is so pretty. Look at how beautiful. And by the way, everything so far is from Hobby Lobby. These were $5.99 each, but it was during the week that they had Christmas flowers for floral decor, excuse me, 50% off. So I bought 1, 2, 3, I bought 4 of them. So $12 for that I don't think is bad. I probably will have that on my entry table. I love to have, I really keep the same vase all year round. I just love it. It's this kind of, I'm looking at it now, it's like this striped silver vase. I love to have a nice floral arrangement in that because I feel like that's like one of the first things people see when they walk in, and it's where we keep our keys, so it's a really nice piece. I'm planning to add that. I did have a different floral setup last year that would not go with this, so I may just put that maybe in a bathroom, or maybe I'll put it on the dining room table. Okay, let's see what else we got. Ooh. I think this is so pretty. Do you see that? Don't ask me what I'm using it for. It's just so pretty. It says joy. It's metal, as you can hear. I think it's just so nice. I was thinking about using this. I have a couple ideas of how I could use this as a centerpiece. Another option is we could just also hang it on a door. It definitely won't be for the door outside because I do have a wreath that I made last year that I'm going to use again this year for the outdoor, but you know, we have a couple doors in here that I could use it on, or I may most likely use it as a centerpiece, even though it is supposed to be a hung wreath. Okay, so the next item I have is this cute, I mean, this is like, honestly, okay. All right. Guys, I can't. I know I say it all the time, but honestly, this is so cute. I can't deal. This is, okay, so this, I believe, is the smaller size. They had a small, a medium, and then like a really big one. So I got the bigger one last week. To be quite frank with you, I didn't even remember that I got this smaller one because I went shopping about a month ago for the first time for this year's holiday shopping, about a month ago, and I got this one. So I just, as I'm pulling it out the bag, I'm like, oh, I forgot that I got this one, which is perfect because I did get the larger one. Now the difference in size, I would say the larger one is like maybe like here, okay? And so I wanted to do, I love to do something by the fireplace, but I don't want them to all be the same height. I love to do layers. So I love that I did get the larger one because I'll get something else, probably like a gift box or something that's even smaller, so you kind of have them in threes, because as you know, I love to do things in threes. But this was super cute. The price of this one is $24.99, again 50% off, so it was only $12.50, which is awesome. I got a bunch of these as well. So these come, they're $1.99 each, okay? And of course, oh, I'm sorry, $2.99 each, so 50% off, it's $1.50. And this is what it looks like as one piece, all right? I got 4 of them. The reason why I got these is for 2 reasons. I'll either use them in the DIY wreaths I'm doing this year, because I'm thinking about doing 2 wreaths. I might do them for the doors, or I might put them up somewhere else. I'm really not sure. I don't know. Don't put the pressure on me. I have to let the spirits move me once I actually get into the whole holiday spirit. I'll have my little hot chocolate going. I'll have my Mariah Carey playing. Oh, Mariah, not the new Mariah. It's fine. And then I'll have, you know, my fireplace going. I'll have the heat on, not too hot, just right, where it's a little, like just the right temperature. I would say maybe like 74, 75. And I'm just gonna be singing my life away. And wherever these things start to move is where they're gonna land. So that's how I like to do it. So I just buy a bunch of stuff. And maybe this year I may not use all this stuff, and that's okay. And the next year I might buy more stuff and I switch it around. But I kind of, sometimes when I'm in there, I'm like, oh, this could be used for a wreath, or I might use it for garland. Like I might put it as like little highlights in my garland. That's an option as well. Or I might decide to do another door wreath. I don't know, but it's nice to have these items, and then I can kind of use it at my leisure. Okay, enough of that. Next thing, ooh, look at this. Isn't this so plush and so extra? I can't deal. It is like a fur, a faux fur runner, table runner. I can't, it's so nice and soft. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this either. This one was $29.99, again 50% off, Hobby Lobby. I was thinking I could use it as a part of the tablescape in the dining room. Okay, so that's my plan for that for now. Let's see how that goes. Okay, the next item I got were these metal, and they're like little bells. Doesn't it sound so pretty? Look at that. And it says Noel on it and joy. Super duper cute. Love that. So I got those. Oh, and then, oh, I actually got 6 of those fillers for my garland or my wreath, depending. So I have 2 more of those. All right. Lastly, I got these shatterproof ornaments. They're larger size than these. I love to get different size ornaments. Okay, so here's the thing. When I have my house, I will have much taller ceilings, God willing. So if I have a house that has cathedral ceilings, where it's like a split level and you can kind of see over the banister, like if I have that, then I would definitely get maybe a 12+ foot tree. Now when you get to that size tree, because my mother has one at her home, when you get to that size tree, you want to make sure that you don't get ornaments that are too small, right? Because then, like if you ever seen, like some people may have like a small tree like this, right? You know, like they may actually have this as like on a coffee table, and they may put little ornaments on it, and they have like the mini ones for that. Hobby Lobby has an awesome section for that, by the way, if you're into that. I'm not, but if you are, they have so much to choose from. The ornaments are literally like this small. So when you have ornaments that small, they look cute on a tree like this. They look ridiculous on a tree that's like 12+ foot, right? I love to see on those large trees, I love to see the ornaments that's almost like double this size, because in reality, to scale of the tree, it only looks like this size, right? That the way this would look on a 7-foot tree, which is the size of the tree that I have for my living room. When I put it up, that just looks like a regular ornament. But if you put it, if you put one of those larger balls on the big trees, it almost looks the same to scale because of the height of the tree. So you always want to be mindful. This is my little tip of the day. I'm giving it to you for free. You always want to make sure that you're being considerate of the scale of your tree. You don't want to get those little balls, because number one, they're really, it's painstaking to get the ornament holder to attach to the tree, to get that onto each of those things and then to put them on, and they're so small. On like a 7-foot tree, they get lost in the sauce, you know? So you want to make sure you don't go too much smaller than, I would say, this, if you have like a 6 or 7-foot tree. All right, cool. So that's all that I have, not all that I bought, but that's my teaser for you guys. The last thing I wanted to share with you guys is a little mini unboxing. Let's unbox the brand new glasses that I will be premiering, drinking glasses, that I will be premiering for this season. Please hold. So, here are my brand new glasses. I'm actually opening them with you guys. We are going to experience this together. I saw these at Macy's. This is a part of the hotel collection. Let me show you the box. Part of the hotel collection. All right. They are originally, so these are rocks glasses, right? They are originally $59 for a set of 4. I know. But here's the thing. I'm premiering them for the holidays. And I may not even, they'll be like the everyday glasses during the holidays, and then they will transition into everyday glasses moving forward, because I really do love these glasses. When I first moved here, because I had to buy like everything new in a very short space of time, I'll give you that story time another day. But because I had to do that, I didn't really have the opportunity to search and take my time and find something that I really love, because I was more so like, okay, I need glasses because we need to drink, let's run to Home Goods, whatever we see, I'm gonna try to choose the best of at that point in time, and I grabbed them. But I bought these Kate Spade glasses and from Home Goods, and I've only had them for a year and a half. I've been here for a year and a half. And I feel like they look really cloudy. They have like a pearlescent kind of look to it. And I feel like they're getting really cloudy and they look cheap. So I'm going to get rid of them. But I wanted to find something that was good quality so that every year I'm not having to replace glasses, right? So I am going to end up having to get double these sets because I got one set. I'm gonna have to get double, but for now, I wanted to get the set of 4 each. So I got the highball and then I got the rocks glasses. Here's the first one. Oh, just look at that. Do you see how pretty that is? So I got the 4-piece, all right? And then the second one is the highball glasses. And my plan is I'm gonna try these out for the holidays. If I really like them, I'm going to get another set. Oh, this is hard to open. If I really like them, I'm gonna get another set. Okay, and here is my second glass. Oh, it is such a nice quality. Honestly, I'm gonna have to do some pictures and share with you guys on IG how beautiful these are. Oh, I can't. That's it. And I have one more thing to show you guys, and this is gonna be my marble coffee table that I got for the living room. Prior to this, I had a it was like a silver hollow round coffee table, and it was like it had like a distressed look on the sides. I liked it, but again, that was something where I needed a coffee table, just needed to get it. I didn't really have many choices. Because I had it and it worked, it did what it needed to do as a coffee table, I was able to take my time, right, and really find something even better. And I love this choice, and it's gonna be premiered just in time for the holidays, so I'm super excited about that. And my family comes down in a couple weeks for Thanksgiving. They'll be able to see it, and I just think it's a lot more, it's a lot larger. It's better for the space. It's rectangular. I did try that round coffee table. I wanted to do something different. I have it. I did not get rid of it. I put it in storage, but for now, I think this is a much better fit. So I'm going to show you guys that now so you can get the full look of it. And once I stage it for the holidays, then when I show the whole room tour, you'll be able to see just how great this is going to look in this space. Okay, guys, thank you so much again. We appreciate your support. Thanks for staying with us until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And don't forget, for the rest of the year, we are doing not 1, but 2 videos, and maybe some weeks we'll do 3 videos for the rest of the holiday year. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday. We have had a tough year this year, and we are getting through it. And I hope that this content makes you smile a little bit. I hope it gives you a little interest in maybe doing a little something, even if it's on a small scale, for the holidays, you know, to give yourself a little bit of brightness in this dark year. I love you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Until next time.